Let's talk about the second tool, the price checker. The idea behind this tool is simple. Whenever you receive an invoice from a vendor, instead of just approving it blindly, you can actually verify whether the pricing makes sense. Let's say you receive a few different invoices. One is for a kitchen repair, maybe a drain and garbage disposal fix, priced at $510. Another one is for cleaning a unit at $225. And the third is a legal invoice for an eviction coming in at $900. Now, instead of manually researching each one, you just upload the invoice into the system. Once uploaded, the AI scans the document, understands the service, and compares it with real market data based on location. It tries to break things down: labor, materials, and overall pricing, if that information is available. For example, in the kitchen repair invoice, there's no clear breakdown. It just says $510. No details on labor, no material cost. So the system flags that. It tells you, here's the market comparison, but there's missing information. It also suggests questions you should ask the vendor, like asking for a proper breakdown. Now, take the cleaning invoice. You upload it, and the system analyzes it. It identifies that this looks like a standard one-bedroom cleaning and compares it with typical rates, somewhere between $175 and $350. Since $225 falls within that range, the tool marks it as fair. At the same time, it still flags that the description is a bit vague. Then comes the legal invoice. You upload the $900 eviction charge, and the system compares it with typical costs in Illinois. It finds that similar services usually range between $500 and $700. So here, the verdict is clear. This is on the higher side. What makes this tool powerful? It highlights red flags, shows you market comparisons, and even tells you what questions to ask before you approve the payment. So instead of guessing, you're making decisions backed by data. That's how the price checker helps you stay in control of your expenses and avoid overpaying vendors.